2.5mm. Jacoje says this is his most popular chain, and I think I see why. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. You watch a high tide jet, ride the tide, and subscribe today. Talking about Jacoje fine jewelry, 2.5mm diamond cut rope chain, 18-inch. Fan of the 18-inch chains. Here's the authenticity certificate packed by Susie. Yeah, that's what you get in the box. 14 karat, yellow gold, 8.6 gram weight. I had a 2mm diamond cut rope chain that I bought prior to this. Jacoje gives you a very small window to return it if you're not satisfied with the size or whatever the case may be. So I had it for like a day or two, and then I was like, I don't know. I made a short. It's on my channel, so if you look on my YouTube shorts, I did a 2mm little video. I do also have a 5mm video from Jacoje. You can get that. Love this one. Didn't have to return this one. As soon as I got it, I fell in love. But anyways, so I got the 18-inch 5mm diamond cut. I got the 18-inch 2.5mm diamond cut. So I returned the 2mm. This one was out of stock, so it took about a month for him to restock. Then I got an email that it's restocked. I put in whatever, I got it. Okay, so here we go. I'm pairing it with the Trax NYC Hamza pendant. Let's get a close up real quick. Yeah, that's good stuff. That's good stuff. Let me tell you something. He says this is his most popular chain as far as the size, not necessarily the 18-inch length, but just the 2.5mm. And I see why. There is a difference between the 2mm and the 2.5, even though it's a 0.5 difference. And I know this is probably not actually a 2.5 because I guess it's a 2.5 before the diamond cut. So when they do the diamond cuts, it becomes a little bit thinner. But anyways, let's compare it to the 5mm. So here we have the 5mm. Beautiful chain. These are Peruvian rope chains, by the way. And if it looks like I'm sweating in this video, it's because I am. It's hot. I'm in Florida. It's like 90 something degrees outside. I turned the fan off because I didn't want it to interfere with the audio. But here we go. 5mm and a 2.5 on top. That's a good look right there. There is weight to this. These are solid chains. These are not hollow. These are not semi-hollow. So these are like forever chains. You should take care of them. Don't go crazy. This is gold, man. This is real gold. 14 karat. To me, that's the sweet spot for me. I know people are into 18 karat. I don't know if people go higher than that. If they do, then that's what's up. 14 karat gold chains online. I highly recommend Jacoje. If you don't go to Jacoje, then Hawaii Rope Chains is another good one. I haven't shopped anyone else as far as gold chains online. Like I said, unless you have a good jeweler where you live, I recommend checking out Jacoje or Hawaii Rope Chains. The prices are good. Their quality is really good. I really love Jacoje's chains. Peruvian rope chains, it just has that like something about the shine, something about the color of the gold. It's just, I know like the color changes, you know, 14 karat, 10 karat, 18, the color changes, but something about this 14 karat from Jacoje with the diamond cuts, it just goes crazy in the light. Oh, and Jacoje doesn't sell anything under 14. I'm not sure if Hawaii Rope Chains does or not. Maybe he does. Check them out. But anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think about these chains. Have you shopped Jacoje before? Are you thinking about shopping Jacoje? Is that why you've clicked on this video? I will be making a short on this video, so it will be all over. It'll be my TikTok, Instagram, all that. But anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think about the 2.5mm chain. Are you into the 18-inch look? You prefer a longer chain? Is this chain too thin? Is it the perfect size? Let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos on the way. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'ma holla at y'all later. Peace.